Strongly bullish BBAI was trending at some point yesterday, the 24th of October 2025, up 5.46%. This is Friday, the 24th, pre market session. Let's see what's going on.
BigBear.ai, BBAI, was trending as traders and investors discuss its expanding footprint in government and transportation technology, following reports of its biometric platform being deployed at Chicago O'Hare International Airport. The development has sparked speculation about potential Transportation Security Administration TSA collaborations and a broader rollout of BigBear.ai's AI driven biometric and situational awareness solutions across major U.S. airports. Community discussions are centering around the company's strategic expansion into transportation security, which aligns with its existing strength in AI powered decision intelligence and defense applications. Many traders view the O'Hare deployment as a proof of concept that could pave the way for new federal and airport contracts, strengthening BigBear.ai's visibility in both the public and private sectors. Bullish sentiment is building across retail trading platforms, with users highlighting the stock's growing relevance in national security and logistics technology. Some investors are drawing comparisons to Palantir's early government adoption phase, arguing that BigBear.ai could be entering a similar growth trajectory as agencies increasingly integrate AI for security and data management. From a market standpoint, traders are monitoring key resistance zones and rising volume, with momentum driven investors anticipating a move toward double digit share prices if contract news or earnings guidance confirms expansion potential. While some caution that volatility remains high, the overall tone remains optimistic as BigBear.ai continues to position itself at the intersection of AI, security, and government innovation.
So the underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. Okay, so the stock is defying this extrapolation that's saying that it's going to continue to decline, going by what we have right now, a gain of 5.31%. But that's actually not a lot of that's not a whole lot of gain, as a matter of fact. So after printing this, would this be, well, surely an intraday high, probably a 20 to a year high as well. It has completely broken through all the supports from its 10, 21, and it was just a 40-day moving average that caught it on Wednesday, the 22nd, and it just pivoted there yesterday slightly, and still holding the gains. Um, as things stand right now on its daily chart, which hasn't reflected this 5% gain, we have these projections are not upper projections, they're all downward projections: 6.88, 6.65, 5.60, 4.96. But let's just go ahead and have a look at its four hour chart. But before we do that, before now, we can see here that yes, it seemed that we were going to be seeing higher highs or higher peaks, but yeah, it didn't turn out to be the case. But in any case, let's see what the 4 hour chart is indicating. Okay, here the 4 hour chart is saying we're going to have a consolidation up till midday today. That seems to be what that seems to be going on. It hasn't really changed much. Yeah, and then after that, the decline will kick in, and I may remain that way up till the 29th of October. That is Wednesday, the 29th, pre-market session. Then there might be an attempt to bounce. Okay, no guarantee that will be the case. Projections are currently saying 7.59, 9.05, 10.06, 10.63 as of now. Earlier on, it was saying pretty much the same thing, only that it had a 11.24 additionally as an upper projection. On this 4 hour chart, it has just not been able to. Okay, it was just recently that it was able to break through its 10 period moving average, and that moving average down here is saying that okay, yeah, positions opened 40 hours ago are still trending, but the ones opened 84 hours ago are not trending. They are not in profit at the moment. Yeah, because it's recovering, it's recovering. Yeah, it's improving, but they're still not hasn't improved enough. It hasn't improved enough. The pace of buying and the momentum, let's see, they're all improving. Yeah, they're all no, no, no. The momentum is improving, but the buying pace is getting worse. Yeah, momentum is improving. Yeah, but the buying pace is not improving. The buying pace is obviously not as strong as it was before. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. Yesterday was trending somewhat at some point, or modestly, was trending at some point. Yeah. So just get in there, have a look, see what you make of BBAI. As things stand right now, it looks like it's worth the considering. Just worth the considering to see what's going to happen. Yeah, to see what's going to happen. It hasn't it has retreated from its probably 52-week highs. So I know it's worth watching to see whether an opportunity has kicked in for one to open a position or to jump in to add to what one is holding. But the extrapolation doesn't seem to be suggesting that it's something that you should do. It's suggesting that low prices could still be printing. So just be careful. Know how you play BBAI, and thank you very much for watching this video.